Hi guys, welcome back to the dollhouse. Okay, we got Burger King on the menu today, guys. We have some chicken nuggets, 8-piece. We got some fresh fries. We got a Whopper. If you did not know, guys, right now they are doing the Whopper contest giveaway thing. 3 people won. They have their burgers up. I will be doing some videos of that, but right now on your app, if you have a Burger King app, go into it, guys. It is $1 for a Whopper sandwich. $1, guys. That's what I got. I just got the notification today. Then they have something new called the Rodeo burger. I said, let me try it. I asked her what it was. She told me it has onion rings and barbecue sauce. Let's give it a try and see what happens. But thank you guys for coming back. I appreciate you guys. Let's open up these burgers. I'll put this on the side because I'm hungry. I want this. And we are going to bite in. Yes, we are. They gave me ketchup. They gave me napkins, which I'm surprised. Because I always have trouble with Burger King. They never give me my stuff. And the Whopper, I forgot to ask them for no cheese. Oh, damn, they did a perfect, that's like a perfect Whopper. Oh, good. They didn't give me cheese. Oh, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. They didn't give me no cheese. I'm not a cheese person, so like cheese like that on my sandwiches and stuff. So I do like cheese, but I would rather have it not on my sandwiches. So, yes. We got some ketchup. But how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. Very good. Very good. I like me some Whopper. We got, we're gonna prepare these sandwiches here. And what I did, guys, because I got the Whopper by itself on the side for the $1, guys. Make sure you go on your app. Make sure you go on your app. It is $1 for a Whopper, guys. That's it. That's rare. You might want to get yourself one. That is rare. So I had to get the French fries and I got the nuggets on the side. Everything was separate. Because like that, I had something else to eat with it. I didn't want to just eat a Whopper. And that's it. They gave me 4 ketchups. And of course, guys, it's clean. It's clean. It has to be clean. Okay. And then we got our barbecue sauce for our nuggets. And then we're going to try this Rodeo burger quick. Okay, this is my Whopper. Let's try this. It's called a Rodeo burger. It's just a regular burger with some onion rings and barbecue sauce. She asked me if I wanted cheese. I told her no. So let's see. It's actually not bad, guys. It's actually not bad. And since I got everything separate, I would have to have get myself a drink. So I tell the girl, I'm like, well, give me a large drink. Can you believe that a large drink costs almost $4, guys? $4. So I told her, give me a cup with ice. I got my own drink. My 0 sugar Sunkiss. And then I don't have to worry about drinking any other soda. Yes, I did. Might as well I drink my own drink and at least it's no sugar. That's why I did that. To pay $4 for a drink when I have drinks at home. We are going to eat this burger, guys. It's actually good. A whole lot of too much bread, but it's good. A little more barbecue would have been good. And maybe another onion ring. Yeah, it's like too much bread for the little bit that it has, for what it is. It is good though. The barbecue sauce and stuff, it's good. French fries are fresh, guys. No salt. No salt. That is your hack. No salt on the fries. You will get them fresh with no salt. And then put your own salt at home. I didn't put salt on them, guys. I forgot the salt downstairs, but it still tastes good without the salt. Too much bread. But I still got my Whopper to eat. Check it out. Okay. I made a mess with that little burger. Just a small burger. It was good though. A good combination with the onion ring and the barbecue sauce. It was only $1.99 for it. When I looked up to the menu, I was like, you know something, give me that. Just wanted to try it. It's okay. It's edible. We're gonna get into this Whopper. Love me a good Whopper. Now, guys, I used to always tell them no onions, always. And then my husband was like, baby, if you never tried it, how do you know if it tastes good with the burger? I'm not an onion person, so that's why. But I gotta say, he was right on this one. The Whopper tastes very good with the onions in it. I am very hungry today. I didn't eat a lot yesterday, and I also ate early. So I went to bed hungry, but I won't eat late at night. So I was like, well, I guess I'll be hungry. So I was hungry. Yeah. Make sure that you guys go back on my videos, guys. I got a few videos. For you to watch. It is a beautiful day outside. Beautiful. If it was to stay like this all year long, I would be happy. Mm-hmm. Very nice day out. I put my plants out. I started bringing them in at night because it's too cold, and I don't want my plants to die. I love my plants. They need their sun. So they could keep growing. It's funny because growing up I never had a green thumb, the way they say. A lot of plants will die under my care. I just didn't know nothing about them. As I got older, I would check more into what the plants needed. I still gotta say, I still don't got a green thumb. But I am better than when I was younger. Uh-huh. I gotta show you guys my plants. I have a friend of mine's. She gave me a baby spider. She gave it to me in a cup. No, that one she gave it to me in a baggie. She gave me two different plants. The spider plant she put in the baggie with some water. And when I went to go see her, she gave it to me. It was like this small. Yeah. My plant now is like real blooming, and it's big, and it has its own babies now. So I am like so happy. And she's happy too. She's like, you see, you did it. You can do it. So that's why I'll probably kill these plants. And no. Those are the only two plants I got. That one, and then she gave me, I think it's called an elephant plant. I think. That one was the baby also. She gave me that one in a cup. And it was like, from the cup, this is the size of the cup. And the plant came up just a little bit over here. The plant now, it's up here. It's huge. And the leaves are so big. Very, very nice. Very nice, guys. I love them. I love my plants. I'm surprised that I've taken care of them. I think it's because it's easy. You feed them once a week. So I chose Sunday. Every Sunday I water my plants. So I won't over water them. and I won't underwater them. And my plants are looking nice. Everybody be like, oh, they look so nice. Mm-hmm. I had them outside for the summer. People passing by, oh, the flowers are beautiful. Thank you. I'm proud of myself that I actually they grew. Mm-hmm. Because like I said, I'm usually bad with plants. Mm-hmm. But for whatever reason, these two plants, they're growing. I'm taking care of them a little better, you know? Let me know if you have any plants in the comments down in the bottom. Down in the comments, let me know what kind of plants you have. Are they indoor, outdoor? Do you have a green thumb? Or do you or do you let your plants die in your care? I am full, guys. That was good. I am done here. Whew. That was good. Okay. I'm satisfied. But thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys coming back to the dollhouse. If you are not a supporter, guys, make sure that you smash that subscribe button down in the bottom. Make sure that you smash the like button. And make sure you smash the share button, guys. Excuse me. Share me out. Share me out, guys. Stay tuned for the new Burger King Whoppers that they have. I will be trying all three of them. There is three of them. One is like a bourbon chicken. One is like a bourbon something. The other one is fried pickle something. And then the other one is like street corn or something like that. I don't know exactly what they are yet, but I will be trying them. So stay tuned for that. But thank you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Till next time. Bye.